today we will discuss about parts of speech, okay, from your grammar, okay. You see, how many parts of speech are there? What are they? There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection, okay. All of you know, no, how many parts of speech are there? These are the parts of speech. Now I have written here the definition also. You see, now we will learn the definition of noun. Noun means what? Noun means naming words. Naming words. Noun or naming words is the name of people, places, animals or things. If you will say about people, then Rita, mother, father, doctor, these are what? People. If you will say about places, Delhi, Abhayapuri, Kolkata, etc. These are what? Places. If you will say about animals, lion, tiger, bird, etc. These are what? Animals. Then things, book, pen, star, kite, etc. These are what? Things. Okay. And here I have written types of nouns. These are I will explain you after. So now we will discuss about what? Pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun are words that can be used in place of nouns and noun expressions. Pronouns are the words that we can use in what? Nouns or noun expression. These are pronouns. I, we, he, she, it, they, them. These are what? Pronouns. You see here example. Rita told Sita, I like apple. Rita told whom? Sita. Rita told to Sita that she like apple. Here again and again I have not written in. See, this is the first sentence. Rita told Sita. And this is the second sentence. Okay. Rita told Sita, I like apple. Rita is what noun? In place of Rita, I have written here I. Rita told Sita. She like. I like apple. In place of Rita, I have written here pronoun I. Again, you see here next example. Rita travels a lot. Rita loves traveling. This is one sentence and this is another sentence. Here I have given here full stop. You see, this is another sentence. Rita is what? Noun. Rita travels a lot. Again and again I have not written here Rita. So in place of Rita, I have Rita is what? Rita is the name of a girl. So in place of Rita, I have given here she. Okay. Rita travels a lot. She loves traveling. Here in place of noun, I have given here pronoun. And what is the pronoun? She. Rita is a girl. So in place of Rita, I have given here she. Okay. Next, you see the definition of adjective. You see, adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about nouns. Adjective means what? Adjective means describing words. They tell something more about what? Nouns. Okay. Example, you see, Anil has a new dress. Anil has a new dress. Here Anil is what? Noun. And Anilor kenekwa kapur ase? Anilor notun dress ase. Kenekwa dress ase Anilor? Notun dress. So here new is described here. Okay. Dress jur kenekwa? New. Notun hoy. So here new is describing words or adjective. Okay. I have a red balloon. Here red is what? Adjective. Balloon is noun. So noun to kenekwa. Okay. What kind of noun it is? Red. Kenekwa color? Balloon or color to kenekwa? Balloon or color to red. So red is describing words. Describe kori dia hoise. Color to kenekwa describe kori dia hoise. Bujai dia hoise. Okay. Next you see verbs. Now we will discuss about verbs. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. They are also known as action words or doing words. Verbs are what? All action or doing words are what? Verbs. Okay. drink, eat, laugh, swim, fly, play, cry, dance, sing. These are what? Describing words or verbs. Okay. I like to play tennis. Yeah, I like to play tennis. So play is what? Verb. Okay. I think a lot. Think is also what? Verb. Okay. Next, I will discuss about adverbs. Okay. Number 5 is what? Adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about verbs. Adverbs means what? Adverbs tell something more about what? Verbs. Verbs are what? All action or doing words are what? Verbs. Okay. So here, how, when, where, and how many times something is done. How means what? How many times? When, where, how many times something is done. These are what? Verbs. Adverbs. There are 4 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner is what? How. How the work is done. Okay. Adverbs of time. When. Adverbs of place. Where. Adverbs of frequency means how many times something is done. Kiman times কামটো কৰিছা তুমি, কিমান ঘনাই ঘনাই কৰিছা কামটো. Okay, this is what? Adverbs of frequency. You see example, the batsman hit the ball hardly. Or hard. The batsman hit the ball hard. Here you see hit is what? Verb. Already I have written here, you see adverbs tell us more about verbs. Adverbs say verbor বিষয়ে কয়. Tell something more about verbs. Okay. Now you see here, the batsman hit the ball. How the batsman hit the ball? The batsman hit the ball hard. জোৰ से মাৰিছে বে. Okay. বলটো বহুত জোৰে মাৰিছে. Hit is what? Verb. Okay. So, here hard is what? Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner, you see, adverbs of manner means how. কেনেকৈ মাৰিছে. Hard means জোৰ से মাৰিছে. কেনেকৈ মাৰিছে. Adverbs of manner means how. কেনেকৈ মাৰিছে. Next you see, the train ran every hour through this station. ট্ৰেইনখন প্ৰত্যেক ঘণ্টাই ঘণ্টাই এইখন ষ্টেচনে দিয়ে দৌৰে. Run is what? Verb. Okay. Every hour means it is adverbs of frequency. You see here, adverbs of frequency means how many times something is done. ট্ৰেইনখন কিমান ঘনাই ঘনাই কিমান দেৰি পিছে পিছে দৌৰি আছে. Every hour, প্ৰত্যেক ঘণ্টাই ঘণ্টাই. Okay. This is every hour is what? Adverbs of frequency. Okay. Have you understand? I hope all of you have understand. So all of you learn the definition nicely. Okay. You see, preposition. Preposition tells us where a person, animals or things is. Okay. Preposition are in, on, under, above, below, beside, in front, through, across, between, up, down, near, over, etc. These are what? Preposition. Preposition tells us what? Preposition tells us the position of a things or the position of animals or person. মানুহজন বা বস্তুটো বা এনিমেলছটো ক'ত আছে, কোন ঠাইত আছে, ওপৰত আছে নে তলত আছে, মাজত আছে নে পিছফালে আছে নে সন্মুখত আছে. Details. Preposition tells us the position of a things or person or place. Okay. You see one example. You see, the cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Here under is what? Preposition. Cat to ক'ত আছে, টেবুলৰ তলত আছে. So preposition is what? Under. Under is what? Preposition. The cat is on the table. He is going downstairs. কোনফালে গৈ আছে? He is going downstairs. Down is what? Preposition. Here on is preposition. Okay. Have you understand what is preposition? Now you see conjunction. Conjunctions are known as joining words. They join words, parts of sentences or sentences together. Conjunction means what? Conjunction means joining words. They join two sentences together. Okay. The conjunction is also called what? Combined sentence. Okay. দুটা সেন্টেন্স লগ লগাই পেলাই আমি এটা সেন্টেন্স বনাও, দ্যাট ইজ কম্বাইন। অ'কে, বা দুটা ৱাৰ্ড লগ লগাই পেলাই আমি এটা ৱাৰ্ড বনাওঁ, দুটা ৱাৰ্ড লগ লগাই দে জইন ৱৰ্ডছ, দুটা ৱাৰ্ড লগ লগাই পেলাই আমি এটা সেন্টেন্স বনাওঁ, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড হোৱাট? কনজাংশ্যন অৰ কম্বাইন সেন্টেন্স। কনজাংশ্যন অৰ কম্বাইন সেন্টেন্সেস। অ'কে, example you see here, we have a house, we have a house, we have a garden. Here two sentences has been. One sentence, we have a house. Next sentence, we have a garden. To make a combined sentence or to make a joining words or to make a conjunction, we have use here what? And. We have a house and a garden. This is and is what? Conjunction. Okay. Next example you see, the man got into the bus. This is one sentence, the man got into the bus. Next sentence you see, there was no seat for him. Okay, here two sentences given. To make the sentence combined, we have to use here, you see, but there. The man got into the bus. Manujane basot uthil, but there was no seat for him. Kintu tat কোনো seat-ei nasil manujoner karone. You see here, but there is what? Conjunction. We use but there to combine two sentences together. Okay, have you understand what is conjunction? Now we see what? Interjection. Interjections are words used to express strong feeling or sudden emotion. Interjections are words used to express what? Strong feeling or sudden emotion. হঠাৎ আমি কিবা এটা ঘটনা কোনো হঠাৎ sudden emotion. Okay, that is what? Interjections. In interjections we use, you see here, exclamation. Okay, whoosh, don't, whoosh, that means whoosh, don't make noise. আমি যেতিয়া কওঁ whoosh, then you have to use what? Exclamation. Okay, you have to use this. This is called what? Exclamation. Hoorah, we have won the game. Here you have to use your exclamation. This is sudden. This is express strong feeling. Wow, that's really great news. Here you have to use what? Exclamations. Okay. So children, all of you I will give you the definition. All of you study the definition nicely. Okay. Hope all of you have understand how many parts of speech are there. So learn the definition I will give you. Okay. So children, have a nice day. Thank you.